Okay, I've got to be really honest here. The infamous snacker. I know you feel it, I feel it, we're all in this together. But here's the scoop. I used to binge on my snacks, but now I've found 3 life-changing tips that have really helped my snack game. Let's talk salads. I get it. I mean, salads can be a bit, but then the thing is, I know how to make them really delicious. What you need to do is add different types of vegetables to make it really crunchy, and also add some toppings like nuts and drizzle some amazing dressing on top. Now it's not grass anymore, it's got flavor and taste. Okay, real talk, skipping water sometimes leads to a snack attack because it's not always hunger. Sometimes it's thirst just messing with you. 5:30 to 6, snack time chaos for us moms. But you know what I do? I have a protein shake so I don't get tempted to eat dinner or snacks with my kids. It's a mom's snack hack. Got any snack hacks? Comment below and share.